Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was born in 1817 in Delhi, in a respected family that had long served the Mughal court. He received his early education in Persian, Arabic, and the Holy Quran, and later studied mathematics and astronomy. Even in his youth, Sir Syed was thoughtful and observant, deeply influenced by both traditional Islamic learning and modern ideas that were slowly entering India. When the War of 1857 broke out, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was serving as a judge in Bijnor. The rebellion soon turned violent, and tensions ran high between the local people and the British officers. During this time, a local Nawab and his followers planned to kill the British collector and his family. At this crucial and dangerous moment, Sir Syed stepped forward bravely. Using his wisdom and calm reasoning, he convinced the Nawab to spare their lives. His courage and sense of justice saved the British family from certain death. Later, the British government deeply appreciated his actions. In recognition of his loyalty and bravery, they granted him a pension and rewarded him with land. After the revolt ended, Sir Syed was heartbroken to see the terrible condition of the Muslim community. The British blamed Muslims for the uprising and treated them with deep suspicion and bias. Many lost their jobs, lands, and positions of influence. Meanwhile, Hindus adapted more quickly to the new British system and gained advantages in education and government service. Sir Syed realized that Muslims would continue to decline unless they improved relations with the British and adopted modern education. To explain the causes of the revolt, he wrote a powerful pamphlet titled The Causes of the Indian Revolt. In it, he boldly told the British that the rebellion was not just the fault of Indians, it was also caused by British ignorance of local traditions and unfair policies. He published a newspaper called Tahzeeb-ul-Akhlaq, in which he tried to show similarities between Islam and Christianity. He tried to show that religiously, the British are more closer to the Muslim than the Hindus, so that a soft corner could be created in the heart of British government. At the same time, Sir Syed began working to clear misconceptions among Muslims. Many Muslims believed that cooperating with the British or learning English was un-Islamic. Sir Syed strongly disagreed. In his essay, The Loyal Mohammedans of India, he argued that Muslims could remain loyal to their faith while still being loyal citizens of the British government. He also made British acknowledge the contributions of Muslims in the history of India and their importance in Indian socio-political system. Sir Syed conveyed the message that without establishing smoother relations with the British, Muslims cannot get educational and job opportunities.